Hello there. So I've just finished my webinar on managing challenging interactions with an awesome Ombudsman team. And a couple of takeaways for me that I wanted to share is, first of all, we don't have to be punching bags. When you're working in complaints, dispute resolution, in reviews, part of our job involves dealing with strong emotions, making adjustments for disabilities, and challenging conversations. It's the job, right? But at the same time, when comments are directed at us, when there is intimidation and threat, when our independence, our credibility is questioned, and when we can feel our own emotions rising and when we feel triggered, we're not going to do our best jobs. Right. And it's okay to have strategies to end that conversation respectfully, uncleanly, and continue the discussion in writing.